Green Chef's Paleo Meal Plan. If you're looking to take the guesswork out of meal prep, then Green Chef's Paleo Box may be just the ticket for you. Offering weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly subscriptions, they'll deliver a box full of everything you need to prepare 3 restaurant-quality paleo meals in under 30 minutes apiece. Pete's Paleo. With Pete's Paleo, you'll enjoy meals made with organic produce, grass-fed meats, and no GMO, gluten, dairy, or soy. Get anywhere from 5-14 meals delivered right to your door weekly or bi-weekly with free nationwide shipping. Factor 75. When you sign up for Factor 75, then just choose from a variety of quantity options to receive anywhere from 4-18 meals a week. All of their options are free of gluten, soy, nuts, GMO hormones, antibiotics, and preservatives. The meat is all grass-fed and pasture-raised, and the produce is all organic all the way. modPALEO / The Good Kitchen. Enjoy chef-prepared paleo meals from local North Carolina farms with modPALEO. Enjoy the ultimate ability to customize your plan by choosing from boxes featuring 10-21 meals a week, or even a Your Way plan where you can get whatever you want. Paleo On the Go. Paleo On the Go offers fully prepared, frozen paleo meals delivered right to your door. Simply reheat and enjoy their selection of meals from sustainable, local farms. Choose from a variety of a la carte meals or sign up for their monthly meal delivery bundle, which includes 10 meals and 2 soups. Healthy Surprise Paleo Box. Stock up on snacks with a box full healthy paleo treats. All snacks are grain, legume, and refined sugar-free. Inside you'll find everything from nuts, fruits, and vegetables to beef, bison, and lamb. The Keto Box. Great for low-carb diets. This monthly Keto Box comes with 7-10 perfectly curated snacks and food items every month. Not only are some of these items extremely hard to find, they are also pretty darn delicious. LOL Jerky. LOL Jerky. Jerky Subscription. Jerky Subscription. Paleo Pax. Paleo Pax. Trifecta Nutrition. Trifecta Nutrition. Simply AIP. Simply AIP. Butcher Box. Butcher Box. Larder Meat Company. Larder Meat Company.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.